Hi guys, welcome back to a Geneva Motor Show. Brilliant day so far, getting really busy on this day today. But as promised, I've come back to the ABT stand to see this really special new ABT A6. Now this is obviously we've been keeping on the ABT stand this year outside of the RS4, which is in Viper Green, with the glacier white and the black contrast that this vehicle has on it that we have. But what have ABT done to this vehicle? What's been changed? So the front end, so the lower spoiler, the grills, the lower grills, and of course the main grille as well. But what you'll notice throughout ABT and what they do with the when they put their body kits on and change these vehicles into this aggressive style is the ABT badge. So what you'll notice as we go around the vehicle, the volume of ABT logos that are embroidered everywhere and badged up into the vehicle. It's everywhere on the car, so you really do know it's you're driving an ABT vehicle, or if you see one, you know what it is. So yeah, we think this is going to be a real popular one in the UK, coming really soon. So I'll talk more about that shortly. But the ABT wheels, of course, the 21 FRs. 21's the biggest that we could go on the A6, but I think it's absolutely perfect and really makes a difference with that as well. So they're the ABT FR wheels that they have on there. So moving around to the vehicle, not much done is throughout here, but we of course, because it's ABT, we added the start-stop ABT logo that you'll see in the centre console as well. So just a nice little take on having the ABT start-stop button. Excuse me. So going around to the back of the vehicle, there has been some real changes done here. You can see immediately that we've ABT Sportsline have removed the rectangular exhaust that you have on the vehicle and added in the tailpipes, which you can see here. Of course, with the lower diffuser and the lower spoiler as well into the vehicle. But of course, with the ABT logo, you always know what it is. So yeah, it's something we're really looking forward to taking into the UK. We're hoping to be able to order them by May. But I think we'll order them probably today and hope to see them as soon as they're available in May for us, because this is something we feel is going to be really popular, as this kit will fit any A6. So a 2-litre TDI, this is a 3-litre TDI, the S6 and so on. So something that you can really modify your car and take it to the next level. Yeah, thank you very much, and yeah, I hope to speak to you soon. Cheers.